Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I am going to be talking about my favorite brushes. Now when you're starting makeup and you're starting your collection, it can be very daunting because there is so many brushes everywhere. I have my fair share of brushes, you guys. Like I have probably I would say I have probably more than 100 brushes. I am a makeup artist, so always adding to my collection. But yeah, today I just want to show you guys the real tea. What are the best brushes? I'm going to be showing you guys pretty much every brush that you need. Okay, let's start off with some eye brushes. Now I highly recommend that you get just a beautiful big blending brush. I think this is essential in your kit, just for your basic eyeshadow, for blending out all of that goodness. This is the Jeffree Star and Morphe JS8. If you guys are wanting to get a set and you don't have much brushes, I highly recommend the Morphe and Jeffree Star one. It is, I love their brushes so much. This is like my favorite brushes to use, the Morphe and Jeffree Star ones. They're so good. So good. And the price point, you just can't go wrong. So a lot of my brushes I'm going to be talking about are from the Jeffree Star and Morphe collection. I'm a big fan. So the next one I'm going to be talking about these two brushes. Now they look very similar. One is a little bit smaller than the other. These are perfect for detailed work, for when you want like a smoky eye and you want to add a bit of like a darker shade in your outer corner. These are perfect for halo eyes, and also running eyeshadow underneath your eye. These are amazing to work with. So the smaller one is the JS13, and then we've got JS12, and then we've got a Morphe brush here. This is, ooh, it doesn't have a number on it, but it is, I'll show you up close. I'm sure they'll have it on the Morphe website, but it's just a very small detailing brush. This is perfect for inner corner highlighter. It's that bitch. It's so good, like I love. Another brush is the Morphe M506. I have 4 of these brushes. They are amazing. If you guys are wanting more brushes for detailed work, you know, you're more of like a creative person, you want to like play with some colors, you want to get some detail, these are perfect. They are just a small detailed brush, perfect for blending, placing color. I always use these as well for like halo looks. If I want to do different, like a rainbow look or whatever, these are the perfect brush. And I think they're only $6 or $8, so super affordable. Now for that cat eye eyeshadow wing, this is the perfect brush. Now I think this is an eyebrow brush. This is the JS7, because as you can see there is a spoolie on the end, so this is meant for eyebrows, but this is perfect for doing eyeshadow eyeliner. I like love this brush. I use it all the time, and I also have 2 of these and they are amazing. If you want a snatched wing, this guy is going to do it for you. So now we are moving on to this little guy. This is the Zoeva Luxe Classic Shader 232. Now this is beautiful for placing pigments, for placing shimmery eyeshadows, and basically once you've cut the crease and you want to put down any glitter or shimmer, this is a beautiful brush to do that with. I love this so much. I use it all the time. This guy would probably be, I would say, 3 years old, and it's so good. I highly recommend this brush. And then we've just got two more fluffy brushes. These are, so this is the Zoeva Luxe Crease and then the Morphe M505. So these are pretty similar brushes. These just create a beautiful like blended look. Very easy to use obviously, and I love these brushes so much. Also a must in your kit. For gel liners, this is an amazing brush. It's the Zoeva Winged Liner 317 brush. I use these on my clients all the time. They never fail me. I love these brushes. So if you guys use a gel eyeliner and looking for a brush that's going to last ages, leaves its shape nice and sharp, this one is amazing. And then I've just got a P. Louise cut crease brush. I love this for applying my P. Louise base and also cutting the crease. I bought this in a pack. It was like 3 brushes. So this doesn't have a number, but I think you'd be able to find it quite easily on their website. But yeah, this guy is amazing. And the last eye brush I'm going to be talking about is the Zoeva Concealer Buffer Brush 142. This is amazing for blending out P. Louise base as well. If you apply concealer for your eyeshadow base, this is also amazing. I also love using this sometimes to apply my concealer under my eyes. This is just like a really good brush to have in your kit, especially if you're a makeup artist. I use these on my clients all the time. Now, face brushes. I've been getting into foundation brushes a lot because I'm just that lazy bitch. And I love a good foundation brush, which is quite hard to find. So, Morphe and Jeffree Star again. This is JS1, and you guys, this brush is beautiful. I love it. It blends out foundation so nice. It's so soft, doesn't leave streaks. This is a gorgeous foundation brush. Another one I really like, it's dirty, so don't mind that. I did use it today. This is the Real Techniques Stippling brush. This is a beautiful brush as well to apply foundation, but when it gets a little bit dirty, it does create some like lines, but it just takes a little bit of time to blend that out, but that's fine. I love Real Technique brushes. The quality of Real Technique is just so good. They are quite expensive, but I do just get them when they're on sale. This Real Techniques brush, this is a setting brush, but I actually love using this for concealer. It is beautiful. It is so amazing. It just blends concealer out really nicely. I used it today, and yeah, you don't have to use brushes that, you know, like they say it's for powder and then you want to use it for blush or whatever. Like, whatever you think blends things out nicely, like, just go for it. Like, I'm sure that this would be a really good powder brush as well, but I love using it for concealer. Two powder brushes I love. This is a Morphe one. I must have got these in a set because they don't have numbers on them, but it's just a really small powder brush. This is perfect for under the eyes. And then this is the Zoeva Luxe highlighting brush. I would not use this for a highlighter, like, no. It works great for powder, like translucent powder. I love like putting it where I like want to set under here, also under my eyes. If you want to do like your full face powdering, like, this is such a really good brush. This Morphe Jeffree Star JS2 is my favorite bronzing brush. It blends out bronzer beautifully. I am obsessed with this brush, you guys. Like, this is what dreams are made of. And then I just have this Eco Tools one. This is just called a full blush brush. So I'm guessing it's for blush, but I love this also for bronzer. I used it today. It is just beautiful. It applies really, really nicely and doesn't make your bronzer blotchy or anything like that. This Real Techniques blush brush is beautiful. I am obsessed with this brush, you guys. It is so soft and it just applies the blush so nicely. Another one is this Zoeva Luxe Sheer Cheek brush. It's a bit of a tongue twister. This is 127 and this is just an angled one. I love this as well. Really soft. Applies the blush really nicely. And yeah, and the last brush I'm going to be talking about is the highlighting brush. Morphe and Jeffree Star again. This is the JS4. This is beautiful for applying highlight. Like, it's just the perfect shape, length, blends it out beautifully, makes your highlight glow. But yeah, that is how you get the Jeffree Star glow, honey. So guys, that is all the brushes that I love and use nearly every day. I will also try and link everything that I talked about in the description box, just so it's easier for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that like button on this video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye!